How to add a removed friend on Monopoly Go. If you have removed a friend on Monopoly Go and you want to add them back again, just follow these steps so that you can re-add them. First, open the app. Now here, tap on friends and tap on this invite. And you can see your invite right here. Tap on invite. Just open it, your messenger. Now you can send the link from here. Tap on send and tap on done. And in this way your link will be sent to your friend and they can open the link and just play with you again. From here they can open the link and re-add you again. And that's it. This is how you re-add your friend on Monopoly Go. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.